In 2018, the Ahmediyya Hiking Club Switzerland embarked on the journey to raise the flag of Khudam al-Ahmediyya on the highest peaks of all 26 cantons of Switzerland. This challenge was inspired by Abdul Sahab Shaheed, who successfully completed his mission to raise Liwai Ahmadiyyat on the highest mountains of all continents of the world in May 2021. Abdul Sahib himself had also participated in the initial hikes of the challenge and ascended the peaks of the first two cantons. However, due to the pandemic, this project had stopped since. With reduced restrictions around the pandemic, the Ahmediyya Hiking Club Switzerland planned to summit the highest peak of the third canton on 8th May 2022. For this, a group of 10 Atfal, Khudam and Ansar met around 10 a.m. at the train station in Satel Agere. After a brief introduction and dua, the group made its way to summit the mountain Roseberg. This mountain is located in the Swiss Alps, 1,580 meters above sea level, and is the highest mountain of the canton Zug. The group embarked on the 14-kilometer hike with great care, especially at the steep slopes through the forest. The physically challenging hike was rewarded by stunning views along the way, but the panoramic view at the mountain top had to be earned with a lot of sweat. At around 1:30 in the afternoon, Alhamdulillah, the group reached the summit. The group hoisted the Masjid Khudam al-Ahmediyya flag together with the national flags and recited the azan at the summit. After enjoying the panoramic views together with lunch, the group set off for the descent and found a quiet place where Namaz-e-Zohar and Asr were performed before tackling the final part of the hike. After a total duration of 7 hours, the hike was completed and the group reached the starting point, tired and with many members having cramps in their legs. The group parted after enjoying dinner together. May Allah allow the Ahmediyya Hiking Club to continue on this journey and complete it safely. Ameen. MTA Studios, Switzerland.